Hello students, we meet again and this time we have got a very interesting topic. No, we are not reading grammar or anything of that kind or letter writing or anything of that kind. We are going to read a short story. Okay, interested? Short story. Okay, the name of the short story is Open Window. By Saki. Buda lagla na naata? Saki. Okay. Saki was not his original name. His original name was Hector Hugo Monroe. And Saki was his pen name. Pen name माने कौन जानी चो? माने पेन रे जो ना लिखा हुए? ना. You have got one name. And for some purpose, say secret purpose, you don't want to reveal your name and you want to come to the limelight with a pseudonym, another name. So Saki was the name that he had adopted to write short stories. And this Open Window is one of his most famous stories. Okay. ଯେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ କହିବ most ଯେମିତି ୱାର୍ଡଟା ୟୁଜ୍ କରିଦେବ most famous mangoes, stories, windows ଯାହା ହେଲେ ଗୋଟେ plural ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବ noun ୱାର୍ଡଟାକୁ କେମିତି noun ବୋଲି ଜାଣିବ most famous what ବୋଲି ପଚାରିକି ଯେଉଁ ଆନ୍ସରଟା ଆସିବ that becomes a noun. So nounଟାକୁ ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କରିବ plural କରିଦେବ. Okay, most famous stories. So this story is about a young girl of about 13-14 years age. And this particular girl was rather a very interesting character. She was a very interesting character and also there was another man. दुईजन तो character हेले story टा टिके आगे बाकु सुविधा हबो ना about a grown up man and a young girl. तमे भावुछ किछि गोटे रोमांस गोटे किछि होइछि कि ना रोमांस किछि नाही. This is a short story of a different kind. Okay, so now see this story. We are going to begin. Mind you, this is non-detail. I am not going to tell you all the details, but still then I am going to go till the end of the story, right? So now mind you, I'll go to the reading, but you have to read the story yourself line by line. My aunt will be down presently. So this has got a very immediacy of introduction. तमे जानु छ immediate माने कोन हठात करी गोटे जिंसटे स्टार्ट होउची आगो नाही पछ नाही हठात करी आमे ताको इन मेडियस रेस मध्ये कहू इन मेडियस रेस. Okay, in middle रे आरंभ होउची. My aunt will be down presently. Mr. Nuttall said a very self-possessed young lady of 15. In the meantime, you must try and put up with me. So now there is a man who has come. I'll give you the introduction. Now there is this particular man who has come to a village. In that particular village, his sister had spent some time and now she has left that place for the last 3-4 years. She has left this place and gone away to another place. And this man, there are two major characters, the young girl of 15 and the man. And he was suffering from some psychological disorder. Say depression or anxiety or some kind of a problem. So the doctors told him to go somewhere where he will be not under pressure. So he has come to this village to spend his time quietly without any tension. And the sister has given him an introduction letter for 3-4 houses. तू से घर को जीवो ताको संगे ताको ए चिट्टा देले से माने मते चिन्हिबे आ मो भाई बोली तते जानिबे सो दैट यू कैन have an easier time. Otherwise, you'll stay at home and will become bored. Franton Knottle. The name of the man is Franton Knottle. The girl is about 15. Endeavor to say the correct something, which should duly flatter the niche of the moment without unduly discounting the aunt that was to come. Privately, he doubted more than ever whether these formal visits on a succession of total strangers would do much towards helping the nerve cure which he was supposed to be undergoing. So ମୁଁ तुमको कहि सारछि already the sister had given him 3-4 letters या घर को जीवो ता घर को जीवो ता घर को जीवो ताका सागरे मिसिबो गपसप करिवो तेनु करी तोर नर्व रो जो टेंशन अछि इट विल लेसन आ से मने मने भाबुछि मु आसिक एमान संग मिसिकी एमान को अजणा लोक मान को मिसिकी तांक संग गपसप करबी इट विल बिकम ए बोर फॉर मी एंड इट विल बी अ ग्रेटर टेंशन फॉर माय नर्व्स and then he has come to a house where the aunt, the main character, is not there, and the niece has come to entertain the visitor. I know how it will be, his sister had said when he was preparing to migrate. Leave this portion. I have already given you the introduction. Franton wondered whether Mrs. Sappleton, the name of the aunt of the girl who is sitting in the drawing room. The setting is a drawing room. You know what is a drawing room, na? सोफा पड़ी चेयर पड़ी जोटि की आसिक लोक मैंने फास्ट आसी बसती बाहरिया लोक मैंने आसिले तुम घरे बसबे ड्राइंग रूम टा ओके ड्राइंग रूम में दी जन जाक बस मिस्टर नॉटल एंड द गर्ल सो आउ ए गर्ल रो आंट रो ना होची मिसेस सैपलटन sorry the lady to whom he was presenting one of the letters of introduction came into the nice division. So now he wished that some of the persons who come to this place he is visiting should be good persons. Do you know many of the people round here? Asked the niece, when she judged that they had had sufficient silent communication. Communion. So communion is a different word from communication. So our communion generally is related to church. So rather you can say the communication. Man ta basichi झियोटा बसिची दुई जन जाक चुपचाप बसछन्ती केही किछि कहू नांती कथा तापर से झियोटा कहूची जे do you know many people over here and he says hardly a soul. See this particular word hardly, HARD, hard, and then lee. You know what is the meaning of the word hard? Strong. But when the adverbial is used lee, at that moment the meaning changes, okay, and it becomes rarely or not at all. Instead of hardly, now becomes not at all. No, I don't know anyone over here. My sister was staying here at the rectory. Rectory mane church no house जोड़ा जो था है you know some 4 years ago, and she gave me letters of introduction to some of the people here. So we have already discussed. He says that I have come, I do not know anyone, only my sister has sent me here to meet all of you. He made the last statement in a tone of distinct regret. Regret माने जो जिनसटा को तुम भल पाउना तुम करिया को बाध्य होउची, that is what was his feeling. He did not want to come here. The sister has sent him to this place and to this house, and he is regretting it. Then you know practically nothing about my aunt, pursued the self-possessed young lady. The young, you see, she is only 15. You cannot call her a lady, but the way she is behaving, she is almost like a lady, a grown-up woman. And she says that you don't know anyone over here, only her name and address. I know only the name and address of your aunt. I don't know anything about your aunt. Then the girl says Her great tragedy happened just 3 years ago. That would be since your sister's time. So the sister of Mr. Nuttall has left this place 4 years ago, and now after 3 years, this man has come. So the tragedy of Mrs. Sappleton, the aunt of the young lady of 15, the tragedy to that woman had occurred some 4 years, 3 years, 4 years ago. Her tragedy? You may wonder why we keep that window wide open on an October afternoon. So the window is open over here. So, okay, so you can say that the window is open. Why the window is open in an October afternoon? कौन है गला अक्टोबर हो कि सितंबर हो कि दिसंबर हो झरकाटा तो खोला ही चाहिए कौन but the name of the story is open window, mind you. Why the window is open? It is quite warm for the time of the year, but has that window got anything to do with the tragedy? Oh, it is garam much. Even if it is October, it is quite garam over here. So maybe that is why you have kept the window open for the breeze to come in, to keep it cool. But do you think that there is a story behind the open window? It is out through that window 3 years ago to a day. Her husband and her 2 young brothers went off for their day's shooting. Now the story is unraveling. The central character over here is the young girl of 15 and Mr. Nuttall, and that is the third character who has not come to the stage till now is Mrs. Sappleton. Mrs. Sappleton had a husband and she had 2 brothers also staying at that house, and one day in the afternoon, in the morning, they went through that window outside. Okay, and they never came back. They went for shooting. And then they never came back. In crossing the moor to their favorite snipe shooting ground, they were all 3 engulfed in a treacherous piece of bug. So, the husband and the brothers of Lady Frampton, not Frampton, Sappleton, they had gone for shooting, and there was a bog. Any idea what is a bog is? Do you know what is a daldal? Okay, we have a word called daldal. एमती गोटे वर्ड अच्छी जहाँ भितरे it is a kind of a very soft mitti in which your feet can slip inside, and a person who goes into it can go inside and never get up from that. So the husband and the brothers, they had gone for shooting along with their dog, and they have never come back. The place that was safe in other years gave way suddenly without warning. What is the meaning of the word gave way? Gave way is to give someone else a space. But over here the meaning is gave way is it failed them. It suddenly sunk. It suddenly went down, and their bodies were never recovered. There was the dreadful part of it. Here the child voice lost its self-possessed note and became falteringly human. So the husband, the brother, the dog, everybody went into that bug, and they never got up. They were lost forever. But poor aunt always thinks that they will come back someday. They and the little brown spaniel that was lost with them, and walk in at the window just they used to. So the main tragedy is over here. The tragedy is that the husband and his wife's brothers and their spaniel, the dog, all of them were lost in the bog and they had never come back. But the wife, Mrs. Sutton, she always waits. Mrs. Sapleton always waits for them. She was under so much of shock at this particular event of the husband disappearance that she was not able to accept it, and she keeps the window open always, hoping that one day they will come back. This particular girl did not speak only about 3 men and a dog. She also spoke about their dress. Walking at the window just as they used to. That is why the window is kept open every evening till it is quite dusk. Poor aunt, she has often told me how they went out. So there was the brother had the habit of teasing the sister by singing a particular song. Bertie, why do you bound? And this particular song used to make the sister very angry. And the sister always thinks that the husband will come back, the brothers will come back, the dog will come back, and the brother will be singing that song to tease Chideba Pai, the sister. So that was the story. So ei kotha se just kahichi, tapare Mrs. Sapleton, she comes to the drawing room. I hope Vera has been amusing you. So the aunt comes to the drawing room and she says that Vera has been amusing you. So the name of the 15-year-old girl is Vera. V-E-R-A. Okay, Vera. She has been very interesting, said Frampton. I hope you don't mind the open window. See, choto jhiyata madhe open window bisare kahila. And the moment the aunt comes back, she also speaks about the open window. If you have a question why the story is named open window, you can talk about the repeated reference to the window. The window is kept open always, but there is a reference to the open window again and again. First, Vera spoke about it and told the tragedy of the aunt. And now the aunt is telling you the story about the open window, and she tells this. My husband and brothers will be home directly from shooting, and they always come in this way. They have been out for snipe in the marshes today, so they will make a fine mesh over my poor carpets. So like you men folk, isn't it? So now they will come back through the window instead of the main door over here. Why? Because once they come through the window, they can go directly to the bathroom or somewhere where can they get clean. Otherwise their body will be full of mud and dirt and all these things, and my drawing room will be spoiled. That is why I keep it open so that they can come back through this. So she went on talking about her husband, about her brother, about the dog, about the open window and all these things. But the thing is that to divert the attention of Mr. Sapleton, Mrs. Sapleton, Vera tar aunt hauchi Sapleton. Sapleton. Okay, I have Sapleton. Yes, I have written it right correctly. So Mrs. Sapleton and Vera. Okay, and the name of the other person is Nuttel. N-U-T-T-E-L. N-U-T-T-E-L. Nuttel. These are the 3 characters whose name we have already come across. Nuttel, jahar tike nervous tike problem achi. Vera, young girl of 15. Sapleton is the name of the aunt of Vera. Vera has been entertaining Nuttel, and now Sapleton has come back to the drawing. Come to the drawing room to talk to the person. But instead of talking about anything else, Nuttel goes on talking about his illnesses. The doctors agree in ordering me complete rest and absence of mental excitement and avoidance of anything in the nature of violent physical exercise. So instead of talking to Vera or Sapleton, he goes on talking about his mental problem. କାହିଁକି ସେ mental problem ବିଷୟରେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଗପ କରୁଛି? Because he thinks, ମାନେ ଭେରା ତାକୁ ଯୋଉ ଗପଟା କହିଛି ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ he thinks that Sapleton is in a delusion, she is in a shock at the death of her brothers and husband, and that is why she is in delusion, tara mental problem, and that is why Naughtel goes on talking about his own physical, his illnesses. So he goes on talking about his illness, his dietary restriction माने कौन खाइबो कौन न खाइबो. Here they are at last, just in time for tea, and don't they look as if they were muddy up to the eyes? While they were talking, Sapleton was looking again and again at the window, and suddenly said that that my husband and my brothers and the dog have come back. किंतु तुम्हें जानी चो जे Vera has told the story that the husband and the brother and the dog, they are dead in the bug. 3 years. It is already 3 years since the day they went for shooting, and they have never come back. And over here I want to talk to you about something. Since and from, okay, from टा होची from गोटे होची जे कौन से डेट रू गोटे तुम्हें from कबे हो. he is gone from नहीं gone for, मुझे confuse है गली actually. Gone for, he is gone for a very long time. Since किंतु लगे ले तुमको exact डेट टा कहिबा को पड़िबो. 1 तारीख मार्च 1 तारीख किंबा on 19th March 2019 particular date wote kahiba ko padiba. So now you see that the husband and the brothers, they are coming back. Frampton shivered slightly and turned towards the niece with a look intended to convey sympathetic comprehension. The child was staring out through the open window with dazed horror in her eyes. So when Sapleton, the aunt, said that her husband has come back, Naughtel looked at Vera with understanding. ए लोकटा ता मुंड खराब अछि से कोन नै कोन भाबुछि, किंतु Vera is looking at the window. He is frightened, with a frightened look in her eyes, on her face, on her body. In a chilling shock of nameless fear, Frampton swung round in his seat and looked in the same direction. से आगर एमती बसी थिला बुलीगिरी विंडो आडगु अनेला. In the deepening twilight, 3 figures were walking across the lawn towards the window. They all carried guns under the arms, and one of them was additionally burdened with a white coat hung over his shoulder. A tired brown spaniel kept close at their heels. Noiselessly they neared the house, and then a hoarse young voice chanted out of the dusk, "I said, Bertie, what do you bound?" Okay, Vera कहिछि already. भाई गोटे, one brother of Sapleton, had the habit of singing a particular song, and Mrs. Sapleton used to be very angry to hear that song. So one young man was singing that song. The husband has come back with the white coat, and the spaniel is there. All these people who were lost 3 years ago, all of them are coming back, and it is already dusk. Sandhya heigalani. सेते बेलू से माने फेरिकी आछंती. आमे जाने भूत माने जदि आसीबे ताले संध्या समय राति आडकु जाके आसीबे. Frampton grabbed wildly at his stick and hat. The hall door, the gravel drive, and the front gate were dimly noted stages in his headlong retreat. A cyclist coming along the road had to run into the hedge to avoid imminent collision. आउ जेते बेले मिस्टर नॉटेल देखिला एमाने एबाड देखि आसुचंती, ऑलरेडी राति राति हेई आसलानी, 3-4 figure आसुचंती. He thought that they must be ghosts, looking at Vera's expression particularly. and he picked up his stick and his coat and everything and started running, ran out of the house. Here we are, my dear, fairly muddy, but most of it is dry. Who was that who bolted out as we came up? अरे आमे आश्वास लोकटा किए के लोकटा से दौड़ी के पड़े गला. A most extraordinary man, Mr. Nuttall, could only talk about his illness and dashed off without a word of goodbye or apology when you arrived. So that is what he says. Mr. Nuttall had come. He loved to talk about his illness, and when you came, he just ran away without even a goodbye. I expect it was a spaniel, said the miss calmly. He told me he had a horror of dogs. He was once hunted into a cemetery somewhere on the banks of Ganges by a pack of pariah dogs, and had to spend the night in a newly dug grave with the creature snarling and grinning and foaming just above him, enough to make anyone lose their nerves. So now he said, when Mr. Nuttall ran away, Vera immediately said that Nuttall ran away because he was afraid of your dog. One day he was in a grave, and the grave was just then dug up, and he was inside the okay, so what happens? He said, Vera said he was in a graveyard and all around him were dogs and dogs. Okay, and they were foaming and snarling and doing all these things, and he was very much afraid, and it was a spaniel. So all these dogs were spaniel around him, and he was inside the grave, and from that day she has been, Mr. Nuttall has been afraid of dogs. So now you can see here Vera's role. Jetebele Mr. Nuttall comes to the scene, to the drawing room. She found out first, she asked and knew that Nuttall doesn't know anything, and told him a story about ghosts. And when Sappleton, the aunt, asked about something, she told a story to her about Nuttall and the grave. So the story concludes with a one-liner. Romance at short notice was her specialty. This is a very, very smart girl. The moment you reach her, she will tell a story. So a fictitious story, a lie. The story was not truth. It was a lie. It was a romance. Let us talk about what is a romance first. Vera was good at romance. Vera was good at romance. What is romance? Romance कहले तमे माने समस्त भाभी दियो जे it is something about love and passion and all these things, so very interesting things. But romance is most of the time is related to romantic. Okay, romantic are the people who are very imaginative. Okay, they are imaginative people, and that is what Vera is. When Nuttall comes, she tells one story out of the blue. It was not a truth at all, and she tells a story. Okay, ताको गोटे अच्छी गोटे आमर क्लीशे गोटे कहावत गोटे अच्छी ऑफ द कफ माने तुम जानिଛ एठी गोटे फुल शॉर्ट रे ए जगह रे जो लागड़ थाए एटा को कफ कहते कफलिंग ई वर्ड सब सुनिथिबो ऑफ द कफ माने तुम हाथ हले देले तुमर गोटे स्टोरी रे बाहरी जीवो सेटा को गोटे कहंती. सो शी वाज गुड एट रोमांस. पार्टी खोलिला माने तार गोटे गोटे स्टोरी ता पाखरु बाहरी जीवो. सो शी वाज गुड एट दैट. And the second question is the importance of the open window. Why the open window is interesting? Because there is a reference. Window is one, but the reference to window is again and again. First in the story of Vera, where the husband and the brother-in-laws had gone out and they come back. And Vera says they are the ghosts who are coming back. They went out as men, they went back as ghosts. But Mr. and Mrs. Nuttall, she was very happy. Mrs. Shuttleton was very happy to see them because she knew that they were not ghosts, they were real people. It was only Vera's imaginative, romantic mind who had created this particular ghost kind of a story from her mind. And you can say, what is the justification of the title of the story? An open window. Okay, so open window is the central character around which the story moves. Again and again it comes back to the story to charm you, to capture your attention, and also to tell you the character of Vera, a person, a young girl who was very good at writing stories, telling stories, narrating stories at short notice. ताको दरकार नहीं, से बस की प्रिपरेशन करिया दरकार नहीं स्टोरी गुला ता मुंडरू बाहरी करी she would. It is actually lies. All these stories were lies. She would tell lies and make stories out of it. She would make stories out of it, but all of them were lies. So that is how we come to the end of the story. But I would like to tell you one or two more questions. We have got some time left. We can tell you some stories. How did Mr. Nuttall react to Mr. Sappleton talking about her husband and her brother? When Mrs. Sappleton talked to Mr. Nuttall about her brother and the husband, then Mr. Nuttall was really very shocked. She thought that Mr. Sappleton has gone off her mind. She has gone mad at the shock of the death of her relatives. So he was trying, Mr. Nuttall was trying to calm down the mind of Mr. Sappleton so that she doesn't get excited. She does not expect her husband. She should not expect her husband and her brothers to come back. Why did Mr. Nuttall leave Mrs. Sappleton's house in a hurry? Because Vera, the niece of Mrs. Sappleton, had told a story earlier that the husband and the brothers, along with a spaniel dog, had gone for shooting in the morning and 3 years ago, and they were lost in a bog. And they were coming back, and Mr. Nuttall, who had already had a very fragile, delicate nervous system, he had a disease of nervous disease, and he has come here to relax, and he thought that he saw ghosts coming back. When he saw ghosts coming back, then he was frightened. He really thought them to be ghosts. They were real people. He believed Vera. Vera was so good and a storyteller that he believed her completely, and thought these people coming back through the window to be ghosts. Okay, so it was very interesting. You can see such a wonderful character is Vera. She is a total liar, but she was able to make very interesting stories, isn't it? How does Vera create romance at short notice in the story? So there were two examples. First example was that she told the story about the open window to Mr. Nuttall, about the fact that the master of the house, along with his sala, two salas, they had gone out and they were lost 3 years ago. And second story she tells about the people who come back from shooting. and these people were real people. But Vera tells another story to them. He ran away because he thought that these are all ghosts. And she told them a story because he was in a graveyard and he was surrounded by dogs all through the night. He is afraid of dogs, and because he saw the dog, he was afraid and he ran away. So you can say that Vera was very good at romance, telling lies, creating a story out of it at short notice. So quite an interesting character and quite a justified title, because you find that both the title and the fact, the concluding line that it was a romance at short notice were apt. So thank you all. I think that all of you will read the story again and answer these questions. ମୁଁ तुमको already कहि सालनी आंसर गुड़ाक चटापट करी लिखि दब. If you write down the answers, when the examination comes, you will be prepared for that. So now read it again and prepare the notes as for the points that I have already given you. So thank you all. Bye for today. Meet you again. Thank you.